Rock and roll, living a dream. So these are my 4 beds up front. Spinach from last year. Start spinach again. Greens. I think we did kale, collards, and lettuce. And my goal today is this pot right here. A little spinach. We planted basil over here, and all of this is gonna be for pickles. Whoa! Over here is for my carrots. Boom, boom, boom. Take a look at that. Whoa! Is that exciting? That's from last year. This is lettuce. We planted that. Lettuce planted that. I think this is mint. And right now, these are the strawberry patch. I really have 2 strawberry patches. This is kale we planted. With char. I mean, some way my housemate has helped me. 2 housemates are helping me. My goal today is collards replaced with the kale. I heard kale and collards are a good match. So that's my goal today. By end of today, I should have 2 more beds. Now, these are all the beds. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's maybe 8. This is 8.5. It's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18. And that's maybe 3. That's 21, 22, 23, 26, 28 beds left. I did yesterday. We did kale and collards. Got to finish up the kale over there. This is a bed I did yesterday in cardboard. Banana peels, lettuce, then dirt. That bed over there will be cardboard, banana cardboard. Those are the best boxes, no tape. Banana cardboard, banana peels, dirt. And that'll be ready for planting. So how about 28, 30? Oh, I forgot about this one. This will be my pickles. You gotta clean this out, and I'm ready to go. So I got 29 beds left. I think I remember that correctly. And right behind the tool shed, we have another little bed. So that's what you do. I gotta start working now. I got maybe an hour to work, and now I'm off and running some other job. Then I'll come home and do this. Boom, boom, boom. Rock and roll, living a dream. Super excited. Stay tuned.